What if I told you a company just made $1.2 billion in a single week? Not by selling anything, but just by holding Bitcoin. Yeah, no product launch, no massive sales, just pure Bitcoin strategy. And the craziest part? This might only be the beginning. This content is for educational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Michael Saylor's company, Strategy, is once again making headlines after releasing its latest Bitcoin update, and the numbers are seriously impressive. For the week ending March 15, 2026, Strategy reported a Bitcoin gain of 16,622 BTC, which is worth roughly $1.2 billion. Interestingly, the company treats this gain as something close to net income, showing just how central Bitcoin has become to its entire financial strategy. But that's not all. During the same week, Strategy actually bought 22,337 BTC, achieving a 2.3% BTC yield. This clearly shows that the company isn't slowing down. In fact, it's doubling down on its aggressive Bitcoin accumulation strategy to drive long-term shareholder value. Now, if we zoom out a bit, the momentum becomes even more powerful. In just the first 2 weeks of March, Strategy acquired a massive 40,332 BTC, generating a 3.0% return. Out of that, the Bitcoin gain alone reached 21,806 BTC, valued at nearly $1.6 billion. And on a year-to-date basis, the company has already stacked up 88,568 BTC, with a 3.4% yield and a gain of 23,134 BTC, also worth around $1.6 billion. This isn't just growth. This is a full-scale Bitcoin-focused business model in action. Another important metric to watch is Bitcoin per share, also known as BPS. In the first half of March, Strategy's BPS increased by 3%, rising from around 196,000 SATs to over 202,000 sats. This growth was largely driven by strong demand for its preferred stock, known as STRC, which is playing a bigger role in funding these massive purchases. Speaking of funding, let's break that down. To acquire the 22,337 BTC in that single week, Strategy spent about $1.57 billion with an average price of roughly $7,194 per Bitcoin. Around 75% of that amount, about $1.18 billion, came from selling 11.9 million shares of preferred stock, STRC. The remaining $396 million was raised through the sale of its Class A common stock. This hybrid funding approach is actually pretty strategic. By using preferred stock, the company is attracting investors who want more stable returns, while still aggressively expanding its Bitcoin holdings in the background. And here's where things get even bigger. As of March 16, 2026, Strategy now holds a total of 761,068 BTC, valued at approximately $56.5 billion. That's one of the largest Bitcoin positions held by any company in the world. But the real question is, what's next? Well, the company has set a bold target, 1 million BTC by the end of 2026. To hit that goal, Strategy would need to keep buying at an average pace of around 6,158 BTC per week for the rest of the year. So the big question is this the smartest Bitcoin strategy ever, or one of the biggest risks in crypto history? So, if you found this video valuable and want to stay ahead in crypto, market trends, and smart investing strategies, make sure to subscribe to MSTR Hub. Don't forget to like this video, share it with others, and drop your thoughts in the comments. Is this a real opportunity or just another risk? And most importantly, hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and remember, smart moves build strong portfolios. MSTR Hub, where market insight meets strategy.